Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now start the class or wait for 5 minutes because the students are still joining. Okay. So how are you? Am I audible?
Fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो
Yeah,
आप लोग
fine, ma'am.
कहाँ पर हैं अभी? बनारस में ही कहाँ?
Yes, ma'am, in the campus.
All
No,
are in
ma'am.
campus.
Campus.
मैम
हाँ
घर पे हैं अभी।
मैम
घर पे।
हॉस्टल में।
Okay. तो नोटिस क्या आया है कि यहाँ आने का है क्या है? ऑनलाइन ही है।
मैम हाइब्रिड मोड।
Hybrid mode. Okay. So now start the class.
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम।
Okay. Okay. Screen is showing or what?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Okay. So this is your course Organic Chemistry 4 CHP 503. So I will teach alicyclic compounds and the stereochemistry. In alicyclic compounds, cycloalkanes, general synthesis. Please mute your mic.
अनुकूल म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Okay. Uh, cycloalkane general synthesis, Bayer's strain theory, cyclohexane chair and board conformation, conformations of monosubstituted and disubstituted cyclohexanes. Next unit is the stereochemistry, symmetry element, symmetry operation, regimates, regimization, resolution, prochirality, pro-stereoisomerism, with suitable example of 1 and 2 chiral center, regioselective, chemoselective, stereoselective reactions. Asymmetric induction, Lenz's rule, addition of nucleophile to carbonyl function, aldol reaction, including the achiral reaction. So first I'll start the alicyclic compounds. It's a very easy topic. Okay, so cycloalkanes or the cycloparaffins. So these are the saturated hydrocarbons. These are saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons, that means having the single bond between the carbon and carbon. So how it is prepared? Suppose you are taking the long chain CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is the simple hydrocarbon, not a cyclic compound. So in the cyclic compounds, the two ends of the chain, this one and this one. So two ends coming together and one hydrogen from each end is removed, so the cyclic compound is formed. So what is formed? After removing the one hydrogen from the each end of the carbon chain. So cycloalkane is forms, a cyclic ring is formed. So general formula of the cycloalkane is CnH2n. So here having the hydrogen, so C6H10. So it follow the CnH2n. Okay. Okay. So the some examples of the cycloalkanes. Examples of cycloalkanes. So the smallest alkane is C3H6. That means cyclopropane. So this is cyclopropane. CH2, CH2 and this one CH2. This is cyclopropane. And the angle between the adjacent carbon-carbon bond is 60 degree. Okay, this is the smallest cycloalkanes. Okay, others are the first is the cyclopropane, smallest. Next is cyclobutane, having the 4 carbon atom. This is CH2, CH2. This is cyclobutane. Next is cyclopentane. This is cyclopentane. This is CH2, 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 and this is CH2. And next is the cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. Next is the naming of cyclohexane. So there are some steps. to follow the naming of the cyclohexane. So first is the name of parent chain. Name of parent chain. For example, CH3. So this has the number of carbon atom is 5, and here number of carbon atom is 1. So 5 carbon is greater than 1 carbon. So the naming is count the number of the carbon in the ring. So first I count the number in the ring. Here the carbon number are 5s and here 1. If the number of the carbon is greater than the number of the substrate carbon, then the name of the ring according to which has the lowest number, which give the first priority. So methyl cyclopentane. That means if the different number of carbon atoms are present, that means different substances are present on the cyclic ring or cycloalkane, the naming according to the number of the carbon atom, which has the less number of the carbon atom, gives the priority first. So the naming of this molecule is the methyl cyclopentane. Another example, CH2, 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 CH3. So this has carbon number 4 and here it has the carbon number 3. So the one. So first
cyclopropyl butane.
one cyclopropyl butane. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Second step is number of the parent chain. Number of parent chain. So first I write the example. CH3, CH3. So cyclohexane ring has the two substance group. One methyl and here another methyl group. So numbering start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In another way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are two possibilities for the numbering. So here the 1, 3 position methyl substance and here the 1, 5 position. So the start numbering from the first point of the attachment as carbon and number of substances on the ring. So first start from the numbering of the carbon here and then start to the second substance. So the numbering is the, so what will be the naming? 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane and here 1, 5 dimethyl cyclohexane. So which one is correct? This one is correct because the other substance, second substance has the lower number. and here the higher number. क्लियर है इतना? तो नंबरिंग कैसे होगी? जो सेकेंड सब्सटेंट है वो लोएस्ट नंबर पर आना चाहिए एज कंपेयर टू हायर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज द 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane. Another example. This is the another example. So we can write in three forms. CH3, CH3, one more, okay. So in the first, this is first, this is second, and this is third. So numbering start here. So first start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So naming of this compound is 2-ethyl 1,4-dimethyl cycloheptane. In the second form, if the numbering start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Naming 1 ethyl 2, 6 dimethyl cycloheptane. And here numbering start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 3 ethyl 1, 4 dimethyl cyclohexane. So which one is the correct answer? So here we check 2 ethyl. Ethyl position. First we see the ethyl position. This is the second position. Second ethyl position. Fourth position, methyl position. Here ethyl on the third position. That means higher position. Okay. So it will not be considered because the ethyl on the higher position. So either this one, first or second. So now compare first and second structure. So here ethyl, second position. And here ethyl is the lower position. So it should be second, but in the next condition, methyl group at the sixth position and here fourth position. This is lower. So this one is the correct answer. इतना क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the third step, identify and number the substrates. Identify and number the substrates. Okay. So first, I write the example. This is CH3. This is CH2, CH3. This is CH3 and this is CH2, CH3. So numbering, first start.
Ethyl,
Suppose one,
ethyl get what?
two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So naming of this is 1 ethyl, 2 methyl, cyclopentane, and here 2 ethyl, 1 methyl, cyclopentane. So here the ethyl on the higher position and here lower position. So in the IUPAC rule we follow the alphabetically. So E comes first, then the M. So here it comes, ethyl comes at the lower position and here comes at the higher position. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct and this is wrong. Clear है? Okay. Second example.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is CH3 and this is Br. This is CH3. CH3 and this is Br. So halogen compounds, if the halogen is present, then we will treat them as the alkyl group. Okay. So for numbering according to 1, 2, 3. This is 3 and this is 4. So naming 1 bromo, 2 methyl, cyclobutane, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bromo, 1 methyl, cyclobutane. Okay, which one is correct? If the halogen is present in the cycloalkane, first one is the correct. This is correct and this is wrong because bromo come at the lower position and this is higher position. Okay. Okay. Achha. We'll take another example. This is bromine. This is CH3 and this is CH2, CH3. So first start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how to write? Write the name as a single word. So use hyphens to separate the prefix and use the commas to separate the numbers. So fourth is the write the name as the single word. Write the name as a single word. So use hyphens to separate the prefix and use commas to separate the numbering. If two or more substances are present, then alphabetically. If two or more identical substances are present, then use the di, tri, tetra and so on. Okay. So here 1 bromo hyphen 3 ethyl 5 methyl cyclohexane. So this is the right way to represent the naming of the cycloalkanes. So order is alphabetically, and which one is the lower number, then we will give the first priority. Okay. Another example, CH, CH2, CH3, here the CH3. So this is methyl group, this is one position, okay? This is one position, this is also one position. Here the methyl group is attached. So we can write here 1 methyl propyl. So the naming of this compound is the 1 methyl propyl cyclobutane. Here the number of the carbon atom, and here also the same. So 4 carbon atom equal to 4 carbon atom. So numbering according to the same. 1 1. First write the attached substance group and then the cycloalkane. Now we will do the some questions.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
hello. Ma'am, in this question, can we just write the 2-cyclobutyl butane?
2 cyclobutyl butane.
Yes.
Um, uh, what is the cyclobutyl butane?
Yes.
एक कैसे है
Because
हमारा
you have
सी
because
एच
you
टू
have
सी एच टू सी एच टू और इस टाइप से कुछ यही बोल रहा हूँ
नो मैम, एक्चुअली वो तो एक जो सफिक्स जो लगा हुआ था मैम, एक सब्स्टिट्यूएंट जो लगा हुआ था, वो तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन सी एच पे
लास्ट में
लगे हुए थे।
यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ
Previous question, ma'am. Yes, yes.
हाँ
So
ये
we can
साइक्लो
also give the first numbering to the CS3, then second numbering to the aliphatic carbon of the first, and then third, then fourth thing. The second aliphatic they will be attached to the first portion. So we'll just calling it the 2-cyclobutyl butane. So
दिस इज द
is there any priority differences between that? Okay, I have to just take it cyclo and the aliphatic.
yeah. So in this case, only we are talking about if the cycloalkane ring is attached to the substance and both have the same number of the carbon atom. So what will be the name?
Okay, ma'am, I
Okay,
got it.
है ना? तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट है. If the aliphatic chain and the cycloalkane ring have the same number of the carbon atom. If the two rings are attached on the aliphatic ring, then according to them. ठीक है? So first write the example CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. So here the number of carbon atom 4 and here total 5 carbon atom. So what will be the naming of this? What will be the name?
3-cyclobutyl 3-cyclobutyl
Yes,
pentane.
yes. बिल्कुल सही. Good. 3 cyclobutyl. So here the 4 carbon, 5 carbon. So first priority give the lesser number of the carbon atoms. So naming is the cyclobutyl pentane. Okay. क्लियर है इतना? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Cyclo 3 cyclobutyl pentane. Second question. Chlorine, CH3 and CH2, CH3. So numbering either this side clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we have to first decide the which one is the lower number alphabetically. So first,
Ma'am, clock.
second and then. So what will be the naming?
1 chloro 3 ethyl 2
1
methyl.
chloro 2 3
1 ethyl,
dimethyl
3 chloro,
cyclopentane.
2
One
methyl
chloro,
cyclopentane.
yeah, one
1 chloro
chloro,
3 ethyl 2 methyl cyclopentane.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही. Two
Cyclopentane, sorry.
2 methyl cyclopentane. Okay. आप लोगों को आ गया इसका मतलब. ठीक है. और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. थ्री क्वेश्चन करते हैं. What will be the meaning of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 or either this side. So which will give the preference
1
according
3
to the rules.
1 3 dibromo 5 methyl cycloheptane.
बिल्कुल सही. 1, 3 डाई ब्रोमो 5 methyl cycloheptane. This is the right one. Next question. So write the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the naming? So first, what is this? This is on the fourth position. So 4 and here 1 and this is 2. So 1, 1 dimethyl ethyl. This is 1, 2, 1, 1 dimethyl ethyl. And this is methyl group. This is methyl group. This is cyclobutyl group. So naming of this molecule is 3-cyclobutyl. 3-cyclobutyl 4 1 1 dimethyl ethyl 6-methyl octane. Clear है इतना? This example is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple IUPAC name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we start the general synthesis, general preparation of the cycloalkanes. Okay. So first is the from dihalogen compounds. So from dihalogen compounds, suitable dihalogen compounds on treatment with either sodium or zinc to give the corresponding cycloalkanes. For example, this is CH2, CH2Br, this is CH2Br, 1,3-dibromo propane. On reaction with the sodium in presence of the ethanol, then the cyclopropane is formed. This is cyclopropane with the elimination of the 2Na-Br. Okay. If the halogen compound is changed, CH2, CH2Br, CH2, CH2Br. This is 1,4-dibromobutane. On reaction with the zinc in presence of the ethanol, then cyclobutane is formed. Cyclobutane is formed with the elimination of the zinc Br2. So this is the first method for preparation of the cycloalkanes. First is the from the dihalogen compounds.
Ma'am, will you explain the mechanism that how the
No, these are
BR
the
will
synthesis, not required any mechanism. Okay. If the some special name reaction comes, then I will tell you about the mechanism. Okay. Uh, Second, from calcium or barium salts of dicarboxylic acid. Okay. So first, when the calcium or barium salts of the adipic, pimelic or subearic acid is heated, then a cyclic ketone is formed. Adipic acid, that means CH2, CH2. This is adipic acid. Pimelic acid, CH2, 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 COH, and here COH, and in the subearic acid one more CH2 enter. So here the calcium or the barium salt of the adipic acid or the pimelic acid or the subearic acid depends on the what we are using the reactant material, then the accordingly cycloalkane is formed. So first we take the example of the calcium salt of the adipic acid. This is CH2, CO, here CH2, CH2, CO. This is the calcium salt. Now on heating, it forms the cyclic ketone. Cyclic ketone is formed. This is CH2 and CH2, CH2 and CH2. This is the cyclopentanone. If in this reaction we are using the salt malic acid or the silylic acid, it forms according to the reactant material. Okay. So further reaction with the zinc mercury in presence of HCl, this is the Clemmensen reduction.
Ma'am, in the first reaction, the byproduct will be calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate?
Ma'am, in the first reaction, this from the salt of calcium, from the calcium salt of carboxylic acid, the CaCO3 would be removed, no? Calcium carbonate. After that, this cyclopentane will be formed.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is the Clemmensen reduction, and in the Clemmensen reduction ketone group CO group is converted into the CH2 group. Everybody knows about the mechanism of this reaction. This is very common reaction.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you are in my class in the BSc first sem or the fourth sem, I have discussed about the Clemmensen reduction. So no need to discuss further. Okay, so now I'll take the attendance, and in the next class we will try to take the offline class. I'll discuss in the department. If it is possible, then take offline class. Otherwise, I will take the online class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Uh,
ma'am, in adipic acid, the salt of adipic acid which you have just taken, so when we just heat at that time, the number of carbon atom they are just decreasing. So the byproduct will be in the calcium carbonate or Cu2 plus calcium oxide.
beta adipic acid is for the preparation of the salt. For the preparation of the salt. Suppose आपका simple reaction. Uh, CH2, CH2, COS. This is succinic acid. This is succinic acid. This is the general example. If we reacts with the NaOH, 2NaOH, then what will be the product? CH2, CH2, CONA, COONA.
Yes,
With the
ma'am.
removal of the water molecule, this is the disodium salt. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
यही बनेगा,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो इसी तरह कैल्शियम सॉल्ट भी किस तरह बनेगा? यहाँ से कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड लेंगे तो वाटर निकलेगा। ठीक है, क्या निकलेगा? वाटर। Here the calcium hydroxide is a base. When it reacts with the acid to form the salt with the removal of the water molecule. ठीक है, क्लियर है इतना? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट वगैरह कुछ नहीं बनेगा।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, so this is the general to form the salt. Why we will prepare the salt? Because salt, mostly acidic salt, is dissolved in the, all salts are dissolved in the water. So there is the possibility to dissolve in the water. This is the another condition. Here on heating the sodium calcium salt of the adipic acid to form the cyclopentane. Clear है इतना? Clear है इतना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll take the attendance. Sandeep Kumar Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Narayan Singh, Ankit Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Ankit Kumar Meena,
मैम अंकित कुमार प्रेजेंट।
हाँ अंकित कुमार प्रेजेंट, अंकित कुमार मीना एब्सेंट, आयुषी
Present, ma'am.
अच्छा, बाजरो कमल विश्वास, धनंजय सिंह,
Present, ma'am.
दीक्षित,
Yes, ma'am.
हंसराज, जानवी सिंह, कल्पना कुमारी, करण कुमार पटेल, खुशबू चौधरी,
Yes, ma'am.
किशन लाल, मनीष चंद्रा, मोहम्मद मोहम्मद बाकिर,
Present, ma'am.
मुकेश यादव,
Yes, ma'am.
मुकेश अग्रवाल, मुस्कान अग्रवाल,
Present, ma'am.
प्रभात रंजन,
Yes, ma'am.
रंभा कुमारी, रश्मि द्विवेदी, रुन्नी,
Present, ma'am.
most of the students from the NV batch, fourth semester. संजीव कुमार,
Yes, ma'am.
सौरभ अग्रवाल,
Yes, ma'am.
शालिनी, शानू गुप्ता,
Yes, ma'am.
शिवम त्रिपाठी, शिवांगी,
Present, ma'am.
श्रेया पांडे,
Present, ma'am.
श्वेता चौबे,
Present, ma'am.
सिद्धांत विश्वकर्मा, सुभाष गोस्वामी,
Present, ma'am.
सुचित्रा सिंह, सुप्रिया प्रसाद,
Present, ma'am.
स्वाति,
Present, ma'am.
स्वाति राय, वंदना कुमारी, विशाल सिंह, अंकित कुमार,
Present, ma'am.
नीता नीता कनवल,
Present, ma'am.
राघव,
Present, ma'am.
आदित्य, अखिलेश कुमार, अंजलि राणा,
Present, ma'am.
अंकित कुमार,
Yes, ma'am.
अश्वनी आदर्श चंद, आयशा,
Present, ma'am.
लेबा नूर, जादव,
Yes, ma'am.
मुनीश कुमार निशा,
Present, ma'am.
रजत प्रताप,
Present, ma'am.
सौम्या सिंह, सौरभ राय, शिवानिका शुक्ला, श्वेता कुमारी, टुम्पा, उत्कर्ष,
Present, ma'am.
वैशाली, अभिषेक मौर्य,
Yes, ma'am.
आकाश कुमार,
Present, ma'am.
अंकित चतुर्वेदी, अनुकूल ओझा,
Present, ma'am.
हर्ष मोहता, निवेदिता,
Present, ma'am.
प्रियंका कुमारी, प्रसन्नजीत रक्षित,
Yes, ma'am.
संजीव यादव,
Yes, ma'am.
सौरभ कुमार,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
शशिकांत,
Yes, ma'am.
सोहम डे, दिव्येंदु घोष, गरिमा शुक्ला,
Present, ma'am.
कुमार अनुराग,
Present, ma'am.
नितेश कुमार जायसवाल,
Yes, ma'am.
रामेश्वर राय,
Present, ma'am.
रंजीत सिंह,
Present, ma'am.
सौरभ कुमार,
Yes, ma'am.
विधि त्रिपाठी,
Present, ma'am.
अनिल कुमार सिंह,
Yes, ma'am.
ज्योति कुमार गोंड,
Present, ma'am.
कार्तिकेय राज,
Yes, ma'am.
कुलदीप,
Yes, ma'am.
कुशाल, मनप्रीत कौर,
Present, ma'am.
विनीत द्विवेदी,
Yes, ma'am.
नरेश कुमार,
Ma'am.
एसएसए रोशन, एसएसए रोशन,
Mechanical.
तनीषा भारती, तनीषा भारती. Okay. Now I'll take on the next class. I'll take lecture on the next Tuesday. 0 मुकेश, मनीष चंद्रा,
Ma'am, Harsh Mohta 119.
मोटा. ओके ओके. और कोई?
Ma'am, Harsh Mohta BD 34.
BG 34. तो इसमें BG 34 को लिखा है, अपना CH चेंज हो गया है.
119. 119. CHE 119.
ओके, हर्ष ना
Yes,
हो गया.
yes, ma'am.
हो गया. और किसी का?
यस मैम, अखिलेश कुमार
मेरा नंबर बताओ.
086.